For the GCSE, you need to be able to recall the names of planets in our solar system and be able to list them in order of distance from the Sun. You also need to be able to describe the key physical and chemical features of each planet, including surface features, atmospheric composition and temperatures. So let's travel through the solar system and we'll give information about the surface features, atmosphere, temperature and a few notes as we go. Mercury has craters and cracks similar to the Moon, and it has no atmosphere. The temperature facing the Sun is about 440 Kelvin, and for notes it's got a thick rock crust and a large iron core creates a small magnetic field. Okay, so now we're off to Venus. Venus is, geologically speaking, quite young, and there's evidence of volcanic structures, but it's very difficult to see because it has a dense atmosphere, about 96% carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid in fact. Temperatures down there are very unpleasant, 750 Kelvin on average, and it's not possible to view any of the features in natural light due to thick cloud cover. Right, now we're off to the Earth, which is 70% water and geologically active, and it supports life, of course. The atmosphere is about 78% nitrogen and 20% oxygen. The temperature is about 290 Kelvin on average, and it has crust movement through plate tectonics, and there's an inner and outer core creating a magnetic field, luckily for us. Mars has an active weather system, but geologically speaking it's pretty much extinct. Thick crust and possibly flowing water in the past. There's a thin atmosphere, 95% carbon dioxide and 3% nitrogen. On average the temperature is 220 Kelvin and its core is very low density, but its largest mountains and canyons in the solar system are much larger than anything on Earth. Jupiter is a gas giant. It has no solid surface. Bands of cloud are visible, and it has a very, very thin ring system. Atmosphere is about 90% hydrogen, 10% helium. On average, the temperature there is about 125 Kelvin at the cloud top. It's the largest planet in the solar system, and its red spot is Earth-sized. It's an Earth-sized storm, in fact, and it's a flattened sphere shape from fast rotation. Saturn is a gas giant with a very large ring system. Its atmosphere is 96% hydrogen and 4% helium. On average, its temperature is 95 Kelvin at the cloud tops, and it has a very low density. Uranus is a green gas giant. It has few features, but a dark ring system. Its atmosphere is 83% hydrogen, 15% helium, and 2% methane. Its temperature is about 55 Kelvin on average at the cloud tops, and it has a small ice rock core and is inclined, its axis is inclined so it appears to rotate on its side. And lastly, Neptune, which is a blue gas giant. It has thin clouds, an active weather system, and very thin ring system. The atmosphere is 79% hydrogen, 18% helium, and 3% methane. Temperature-wise, it's pretty much the same as Uranus. It's 55 Kelvin at the cloud tops, and it has a small ice rock core, although there is an internal heat source.